How to set TikTok music as ringtone on Android. So if you want to set the TikTok music as ringtone on your Android, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, you just need to simply go with a video. For example, I'll be choosing this sound. Once you've chosen the sound, you just need to simply go with the search option. Once you go with search here, you will have download or save option. Tap on save or download that. You can save the video or you can save the image. So I'll be choosing save video. Once you've saved the video, then the audio will also be saved, right? You will have the music. So just wait for it to load to 100%, which is on the bottom, and it will save your video. Once you've saved, now you can go with an application. If you have the application, you can go with it. Then you can remove the audio and video, or you can separate that. But if you don't have that, you can do that in your CapCut also. You can simply open up your CapCut, go with a new project, select the video that you've just downloaded, and here you will have your video, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply tap on the video and just select the part that you would like to add as a ringtone. For example, I'll be choosing 15 seconds, and then I'll trim the part that I don't want and go with the upper right, which has that export option. But under export, make sure and you will have an option of exporting the audio and the video separately. Or you can just use the application or browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and then you can make the audio separated. Once you've done that, you will have the audio file, right? So what you need to do is just go with the settings option. Under settings, you can go with search, which is on the upper right. And under search, now you need to simply search for ringtone. Tap on phone ringtone and tap on it. And you will have an option of custom ringtone on the first. Tap on custom ringtone, and here you will have all of the audio files. So you can simply choose an audio file that you would like to add as a custom ringtone. So choose the file and that will be added as your ringtone. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.